Thank you, my subscribers. I really appreciate you. And yeah, there's some people that's watching and you have not subscribed. No, you haven't. But I want you to press that subscribe button below. Hi, I'm Jean G, and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. I am going to take this off of my head as I talk to you. I did an updo recently, and this morning I'm going to take it out. And I just want to see what it looks like now that it's been this way for some time. Definitely notice that it's like a stretched look. Now can I get it all to come back down? I've never done this before. I've never put my hair in a ponytail since I've gotten Sisterlocks. I think it could work. Let me take a look at the back of this hair. Just have to spray that. I think I could do that. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back. There was a time when I would never have considered wearing a ponytail out. But today, I think I've changed my mind. I think I can pull this off. You tell me, can I wear a ponytail and still look like me? Can I wear a ponytail and still live up to my standards? There was a time when I considered ponytails for adults as a hairstyle that you would wear when you could not do anything else to your hair. And it was really like maybe a one-day thing. But I look at this now, and I think I can do that with these Sisterlocks. I kind of like the way I look. If you notice, I'm playing around with some makeup. I'm not that good with makeup, so I just decided to try to spruce up my face a little bit. It's early in the morning. You've seen it from every angle. One more thing I'm going to see. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see how I would look in my glasses with this ponytail with my hair pulled back. And I kind of like it. I think I can pull this off. Okay. I can pull this off. If you don't think so, please tell me. If you agree with me, please let me know. Please comment below. Thank you, my subscribers. I really appreciate you. And yeah, there's some people that's watching and you have not subscribed. No, you haven't. But I want you to press that subscribe button below. And if you see a picture of me and my husband somewhere up here, then I want you to click that too, because that will also allow you to subscribe. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. Tell me what you think about this ponytail. I think I can pull it off. I really do. Thank you.